Today I'm going to show you how to apply multiple materials to one object in Blender, step by step, so you can give different parts of the same mesh their own look without splitting it into separate objects. This is perfect for hard surface models, props, characters, and anything that needs more than one material. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Let's get started. First, select the object you want to work on in the 3D viewport, then go to the Material Properties panel on the right side, marked by the red sphere icon. This is where Blender manages all the materials assigned to your object. Next, click the plus icon to add a new material slot. If you already have one material, this is how you add another slot for a second material. You can then click New to create a fresh material, or choose an existing one from the drop-down if you already made it earlier. After that, press Tab to go into Edit mode. You need edit mode because Blender only lets you assign materials to specific faces when you are working on the mesh itself. Then press 3 to switch to face select mode. Now select the faces you want to give the second material to. You can click individual faces or hold shift and select multiple faces at once. Once your faces are selected, go back to the Material Properties panel, click the second material slot so it becomes active, and then click Assign. Blender will instantly apply that material to the selected faces. If you want to add more materials, just repeat the same process. Add another slot, choose or create a material, select the faces, activate the correct slot, and click Assign again. This makes it easy to build multi-material objects while keeping everything inside one clean mesh. It also helps keep your scene organized and makes editing much faster. Instead of managing separate objects for every surface, you can control everything from one model. That means cleaner files, easier exports, and a smoother workflow overall. If this Blender tip helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.